What's up, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? You got some view requested workouts. So let's get started with South Carolina. So South Carolina, we're going from midday to midday. It's perfect right here. South Carolina, we're going from midday to midday. Midday to midday, bring this down a little bit. It's midday to midday. I see y'all comments. Keep the comments coming. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use your previous number, South Carolina, to get your next hit. Okay, so let's do it. So 347 is what you're gonna use. 347 204. That came out 918. I'm gonna show you the 919 A 1 4 7 0 3 6 9 2 4 8 2 6 0 4 8 2 6 0 1 8 5 2 9 6 3 0 7 4. So we have our 347 rundown. Now South Carolina, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your previous numbers, change the color. You're gonna take your previous numbers and you're gonna use the numbers next to it, 204, and you're gonna follow the pattern. So for 919 midday, South Carolina had 919 midday. South Carolina had 070. 070. That's what South Carolina had for 919 midday. So now let's fix that up. 919. South Carolina had 070. So now when you take your individual numbers, now you're gonna take your 4, right? Individual numbers. And you're gonna pull it from the middle, okay? 4, we got 0, and we got 2. You see that? Your individual numbers. And your hit could come from either the left or the right. So if you look here, the hit came from the left. Because we come here, let me get this marker out. We come here, we got the hit. The 4, we got 700, which came out for 919. Came out 700. So we're gonna follow the same pattern. So we'll come here. So we'll come here, and we'll just take from the left. So from the left again, we also got 926. Then we'll do the same thing for the 2. So for the 0, 926. And then for the 2, we got 881. That's for the 2. We got 881. So for 919, it came out 070. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna take your individual numbers. You're gonna take your individual numbers from the previous hit, and that's how you get your next hit. We have 070 right here, and we got 2, 881, and we got 0926. So if I was y'all, I would pull from the right side. 070, we got 096, 885, 674. That's to the right side. The hit came from the left. This is the left. And you still got 2 numbers left over that, you know, that could fall any day also. But we also have the right. This is the right side. Right? We got 885, 096, 674. That's the right side. You know what I'm saying? You could also watch these numbers. because the right side also have numbers. I'm cooking, so excuse the noise. So the right side also have 3 numbers, but the hit for 919 came from the 4700. That's for South Carolina. Viewer requested, you know what I'm saying? I see y'all comments, so keep the comments coming, you know what I'm saying? This is a quick view requested video while I'm cooking and shit. Me cook, you know what I'm saying? But the 4 was the hit using the previous midday number. 4 gave us the 700, which came out for 919-070. It's right here. So yeah, everybody get in tune with this, you know what I'm saying? Use the individual numbers to get your next hit. Any questions, let me know. It's your boy Kavion, and I'm out the building. Let me finish up this cooking, and I'll get with y'all. Peace.